Hello, welcome to SS Unitech Susil this side, and this is part 2 of Palantir Foundry. So today we are going to see how we can create the account for the developers. So Palantir Foundry is providing us the developer account which is free, so you can create the account and you can do your testing and you can play with that. So let's quickly jump to the browser and we'll try to create the account. In Google you can simply search for Palantir for developers, and after that you can click on this link. I'll be going to provide this link in the description of this video, so you can directly go from there. And after that you can see in the right top unlock free dev tier, so you can simply click on this, and after that it will be asking few of the questions. So you have to feed your name. So I'm going to provide my name as Susil Singh, and after that click on continue, and then after it is asking about my email ID. So I'm going to add my email ID, and after that we can simply click on this send code. So we'll be getting the code on given email ID, and you have to add that 6-digit code here, and then you will get the option for next. So I got that. So the code is 442046, and once you will enter, you will see the next option for the mobile verification. So on the mobile, first you have to select the country, on which country you are registered for your mobile number. So I am from India, so I am selecting India here, and after that I am adding my mobile number, and then click on this send code. So it is going to send the code on your mobile number. So you have to wait until you will not get the code. I got the code. So the code is 969931. So once you have done this, then it is asking the verification of your documents. So you can click on this submit document, and you will get one of the barcode, and you can simply use your mobile, and you can go on the Google, and then Google Lens, you can simply go and scan this barcode. So it will directly jump inside your verification. So it is asking for scan your ID. So I am going to scan my ID. So they have asked to upload document. So I was trying to upload the Aadhaar card, but it was not valid. So I used to upload the PAN card, and it worked. And then after it will be asking for your front photo. So you have to upload your photo as well. And then after all the details has been submitted successfully, then they will be taking approximately 30 minutes, and after that your account will be ready. So you can see like we are reviewing your details. Once it will be confirmed, you can simply utilize your Palantir account. So in between you can go on next, and you can specify your personal detail, then the address you can add. I am going to put my address. You can put your address, and then after you can click on next, and here on the region we can select either, we have only these two options, either you can select UK or US. So I'm going to select US East, and then here you have to specify your account. So this account name is important because the URL is going to create by using this account. So I am going to specify SS Unitech here. So the URL will be starting from SS Unitech, and then after I can click on next. Here we can also see the allowed countries, so we can add another countries as well. For example, if I am going to select any another country, Switzerland, US, Netherlands, Spain, Australia, you can simply add it from here, but I'm going to use inside India only, so that is fine for me. And then click on next, and here you can see this card detail, because we are also specify your card details here, and it will not gonna charge anything. That you can see, like it is free, and you can see until it is terminated it's free, and you are not gonna charge anything. So it is free for developer. So here card holder name I am going to add as Sushil Singh, and then we have to add the card number, then expiry, and then your CVC number. So I'm going to add all these details, and after that I'll be clicking on next. So once you have added all these details, you can see it is coming at verified and everything is good here. So we can simply go and select all these check boxes and then sign up for AIP. So as we can see, you have successfully signed up. Hang tight while we set up AIP. So it will be going to take approximately 30 minutes, and after that your account will be ready. So after 15 minutes I got this email like set up your Palantir account and login. So you should be getting the same email, and here I can see the one-time password is also listed here, and here I can see this setup account. So let me click on this setup account, and it will be jump to the next window, and here one-time password you have to enter and then click on next. So here it will be asking for the multi authentication, so add passkey. So here again we are required to go use your phone or tablet, and after that we have to scan this as same we did earlier, and it will be going to connect to your mobile device, and you have to authorize this on your mobile device for the multi-factor authentication. So here the passkey successfully added, and we can click on login, and here we have to add the user at domain. So whatever the email ID that we have given at the starting, and let me click on remember, click on next. We can use the passkey for the authentication. Here I am going to use my mobile. I am going to do the same for login. So after allow, your account is set up, and here this is the landing page of your Palantir Foundry. So this is the SS Unitech. If you have remember, we have added the account, so it is the part of your URL, and after that you will be getting all these from your Palantir. So I hope guys you have understood how we can set up the account. So see you in the next video where we will be going through all these and will be explaining more on this tool. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.